Hey everyone, welcome back to ZNA Studio. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to model this elegant decorative frame design using simple 2D shapes in Horror 3ds Max. First, we'll start by creating a bar 2D rectangle, using the on grid as a guide. Set the rectangle to cover bar 2 grids wide by 5 grids high. Let's begin with an arc. Choose the all half circle preset and adjust the angle to make sure it covers all 180 degrees. Snap this arc to the all right side of the rectangle, aligning it perfectly with the center. Now, copy and mirror that arc and snap it to the all left side. Next, we'll create the quarter circles. Go to Point Arc and change the setting to Center End End. Snap the first arc from the high top left corner of the rectangle to form a quarter arc. Now, mirror it horizontally and snap it to the far top right corner. Select both, then mirror them vertically, and snap them to the bottom corners.